Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to send video messages on WhatsApp application on your phone, specifically on your iOS phone, okay? That being said, please open your WhatsApp right here. So this is the landing page of your WhatsApp, right? Now before we get into this, I'm going to ask you kindly to go to settings real quickly here, making sure we have the best iOS version. So click on General tab right there, and then click on Software Update right here. Making sure we have the best version available installed, we need to see iOS up to date at the very bottom part right here. It doesn't really matter if you don't have 16.6 iOS specifically, because you might be watching this on a later date and Apple might have rolled out a new version to the public while you're watching this. So just make sure you installed it, update it, and then you need to see iOS up to date at the bottom part right. That being said, let's go back to WhatsApp. And from here, just choose anyone you want to message or send a video message to. For example, I'm going to choose my friend right here. Click on this plus icon right there. And with this one, again, this is going to be the plus icon, right? And then click on camera. Once you click on camera right there, you can either swipe to the video part, or since you're on photo part right there, hold the photo right there. And then, while you're screen recording, release, and then you can send this one to your friend. Basically, that's how you send a video message on WhatsApp application using your iPhone or iOS. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.